So where do you see yourself in 20 years from now?
So 20 years from now, going to be 61 years old. I'm pretty certain that Cash Geeks is it's going to have several squadrons. We have an idea of how we're going to build the company out.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to build them out in squadrons, and squadrons are groups of people that can handle transactions from A to Z in real estate for certain markets, or for a certain sized market, or a certain group of markets that add up to a combined population, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like there's going to be, at that point, 20 years from now, all of the right leadership is going to be in place for it to continue to grow without me. There's, I would bet there's probably going to be 10 squadrons at that point.
Nice.
A squadron right now is looking at about 12 to 14 people. And it's going to include all of the positions from marketing, lead generation, project management, acquisitions, dispositions, and transaction coordination,
Nice.
which is wrapping up the deal with the title company at the end of it all.
Solid.
So that'll be a group of people that can effectively do probably 15 to 20 transactions a month, that can bring in close to $250,000 a month. So I can't see having less than 10 of those in the next 20 years.